When the first time you visit TVBOT, you can choose one of these three layouts to visualize your tree files, and you can click this link to our help documentation page for more detailed information. Now we select normal layout to introduce the user interface.
You can click the button here to show the hidden panel. The whole user interface consists of three parts. The first one is the layer panel, using for tree annotation, and we will talk about it in the later video. The second one is the SVG canvas. The phylogenetic tree and all external annotation information will be displayed here. The last one is the attributes control panel, using for styles adjustments. You can click this button again to hide this panel. And this one is the same function. And for this SVG canvas, you can make several operations to resize the canvas, scaling the tree, or change the tree structures. If you want to change the size of the canvas, you can move your mouse on the edge of the canvas. Like this, you can drag your mouse to change the width of the canvas or the height. And if you want to change the size of the tree, you can double click on a blank area to show the grid rectangle. By default, the width of the tree is equal to the width of this rectangle. The width of the tree is from the root to the max length of the branch. And you can also move the mouse to the edge of this gray rectangle and resize. Just drag your mouse to resize this gray rectangle. And the height of the tree is equal to the height of this rectangle. If you double click again on the blank area or on this gray rectangle, the gray rectangle will be hidden. And you can open this help documentation link to see more detailed information. Like I can click the canvas, and you can see the detailed information here. We can double click again, and the blank area from the canvas, the top edge of the canvas to the top to the top edge of the rectangle means the margin top. And this one is margin left, margin right, and margin bottom. And this attribute values can be adjusted from these panels on this menu, canvas menu. And you can fill a specific value here to change this for margins values. Like you can fill 40, and if you change this margin value by a mouse, the value here will be changed together. And for the circular layout, we can double click again for the circular layout. The width of this grid rectangle is equal to double times of the radius of this circular tree. And you can also drag your mouse on this tree to move it to a new position, and you can use your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. And if you double click on a blank area again, the size of the trees will be restored. And the size of the canvas here is equal to the size ratio when you export the figure. Scale here can also be dragged to any position you want. The next operation is to change the tree structure. If you move your mouse on a branch or a leaf text, there is a information box will be showed, and including the node ID and branch length and the leaves count of this branch. And if this branch possess a bootstrap value, it will be also showed. And when you click one of the branch, there will be a function menu here. And the first one is root the tree. You can click this one to use this blend as a new root, like this. And you can also reverse the order of the child node. Like if you want to reverse these two leaves, you can click this function, reverse children, and their order will be changed. If you want to fold one of the clade, you can choose this function. And before the clade, you need to fill a node ID for the folded clade. If you click this clade again, and you can unfold it. If you want to delete one of the leaves or a clade, you can just click the delete whole clade, or delete one of the leaf. If you want to reset all the operations for above the script, you can go to the reset menu and click the reset button. The next useful function is copy the node ID of the branch you select, or copy all IDs of this branch children. Like if you click this menu, and the ID of this branch will be copied. If you click copy IDs of these node leaves, and all the leaves of this branch will be copied. And for node ID, you can see the data in the documentation page here. We put some example tree file format here.